I guess there were kind of three sort of main pillars. One was vulnerable, building around the vulnerable, adding vulnerable to enemies. Drawing cards, these pommel strikes are pretty cool, although they burn through a bit of energy. And then, of course, the exhaust. So stuff like this just really helped. And, of course, having exhausting cards to exhaust meant that feel no pain became really good in the end too. So if you saw, there was that surprise, I didn't expect it, but with that elite battle with those three knights, those spectral knights or whatever you call them, because he cast a curse that would turn all of my cards ethereal, which would mean that they would be all exhausted if I didn't use them. That actually ended up becoming and turning to my advantage, because they all exhausted. I had feel no pain, and each of them gave me 3 block. And I had barricade as well, so it just kept increasing my block.